Hello guys, welcome back to Coding with AJT, and this video is the introduction to this game that I'm going to show you in this series. This game is a Super Mario Bros. Type of game. So the big difference between this game and the other apps I develop is this game is created in Unity and other apps were created in Android Studio. So this is what the game looks like. The game has first a player. It has monsters. It has coins to collect. It has a finish line all the way at the end. At the same time, it also has power-ups. So let me run the game and show you how it works. When running the game, we can't see the character right now, but that's the good thing about this type of code that I show you. This code has a way so you can move the main camera. And the main camera is what the player should see. And that way you can change it based on your preferences in your type of device. So for my device, I need an offset of 4.32 for X value and 1.39 for Y value. But for another device, you can use like 1.79 for Y value or 5.5 for X value. It just depends on what device you use, but you can also make it so the offset will stay standard for each one. When playing the game, we can see our player moves around and at the same time looks the way it runs. When we stop, the player stops, and it has its own animation for the stop. When we hit the question block, an item pops out. With this item, when we grab it, it gives us an extra life, and this extra life allows us to have an extra hit from an enemy. This also shows us that we have an extra life by the shield. When we have the shield, it shows that we have an extra life. See, the extra life works like this. If we get hit, boom, we get hit by the enemy. And if we get hit again, we die. And the extra life uh, helps us die not once being hit, but it waits a while and then we get hit. So if we play this right now, we can show how it works. As we can see, I just got hit and I lost the extra life or the shield that was protecting me. I got hit again and we died. And for this tutorial that I'll be showing you, I will only be making one level of this game. But because it's a Mario type of game, you can make as many levels as you want. It's all up to your imagination. Well, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye!